Hi there, this is Dave from BRMB Map Books, and today I'm going to give a quick demo on how to use the search and get inspired features on our website. So I'm going to start off by clicking search along the top menu, and the search tool is best for searching for features by name. So to get started, I'll type name of a park that I'm most interested in going to nearby, Garibaldi. So, as you can see, it brings up many different features that all contain the word Garibaldi within the name. So another great way to filter the results is to use some of the filters that are set at the top. You can filter it by adventure. So for example, I can filter this by the trail adventure. So now it's showing all of the trail adventures that have the word Garibaldi in the name. So here's the feature that I was looking for. So search can also be filtered by many of these different features if there's a very specific feature that you're interested in. You can also filter by the province. So if you want to eliminate the rest of Canada, you can focus in on your local province of BC or wherever you are located. There's also a few other filters based on difficulty levels and lengths of trails. So you can just fill these in and hit the Apply Filters button. So the next thing I'd like to demonstrate is the Get Inspired section of our website. So this functions similar to the search page, except it's better suited around a location. So currently it's using some of the features that are located near me here in North Vancouver. But if I were to plan a road trip, say to the Okanagan, I might be interested in some of the features along the way. So I could, for example, enter Merritt. So after selecting the location, you can see now all of the recommendations from Get Inspired are centered around Merritt. So this is a great way for planning road trips and exploring areas that you're not necessarily familiar with yet. You may not know the names of some of these local trails and local parks. So if you use Get Inspired, it's kind of the reverse search. You can use the location that you're trying to get to, or your destination. So this was an example of some features around Merritt. And then if I were to like to go to Kelowna, for example, as the destination, so now it brings up all of the different outdoor recreation features found near Kelowna. So again, as I was mentioning before, on the search page, you're able to search based on features. So I'm interested in doing some ATVing while I'm up there. So you can see now that I've applied the features, it's suggesting all the different ATV areas that are centered near Kelowna. So now that I see some of the names here, it was Bear Creek motorized that I was interested in. So yeah, that's just a quick demonstration for how the different features work. Search is used primarily if you know the name of the feature, and Get Inspired is great for road trips and trip planning if you want to set a destination and see what is available there. Thanks very much.